This is part 3 of how to write a critical study. In this video, I will explain how to describe the media used by an artist to create a piece of art. The third stage of the critical study is about the media that the artist has used. By media, I mean the materials. So, for example, paint, pencil, photography, clay. This section is very likely to connect and to overlap with information that you have put in the content and the information sections, but that's absolutely fine. In fact, it's really good. It shows joined up thinking. So you need to think about what media has the artist used, what impact does this have, and might it affect the meaning? The sentence starters I would recommend for this are the artist has used and the impact of this. So two of the key terms that I use in my example that I just want to briefly explain are abstract and interpretation. So abstract refers to artwork that is not trying to represent things accurately from life. Sometimes people describe this as non-representative. So for example, it's not trying to be a portrait of a person or a painting of a dog. And then interpretation, when something is down to your interpretation, it's referring to your own opinion, how you have interpreted something. So here's my example for media. The artist has used found objects, primarily pebbles, from nature to create this artwork, and then he has photographed it. The impact of this artwork being abstract is that its meaning is open to interpretation. As previously stated, I think the artwork is about the environment being vulnerable. Goldsworthy created this artwork outside, which demonstrates an influence from the land art movement in the 1960s and 70s. So you can see that I very clearly stated the media that he has used, so using found objects from nature and then photography. Then I've briefly referred to how this connects to the meaning, and then I've also made reference to some information that was relevant from my research at the beginning. This guidance is continued in the next video, which is part 4, Mood.